everyone, this is Jose from RETOP LED. Here at Las Vegas, InfoComm 2026, we bring our TES 2 Pro series for billboard solution. The series about it is aluminum cabinets. It's very nice. Only 24 kilogram per cabinets, and it supports P4 front service and the front installation. It not only supports SMD technologies, also supports DIP. We can do the brightness more than 10,000 nits. More information, welcome to visit our website www.szretop.com. Thank you.